Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to fix your Note 9 green screen problem. So as you guys can see my screen on top, there's a little bit of line right here and it just shows that there's a bit of a green screen problem. As you guys can see, the green screen problem is already appearing and you can see quite clearly green screen problem has a lot of problems, especially if you are trying to use your Note 9, and this video is going to be a very quick video on how you guys can fix it. So first thing what you guys gotta do is you guys gotta make sure you guys take out your phone case. Once you guys take out your phone case, you guys are gonna take out the glass cover. So you guys can use the suction cup right here to pull it out, and I have a video on how to do that, so check on the card right here. And that you guys are just gonna basically just take it out. So it's quite easy to take it out. Oops. So it's quite easy to take it out. Just use a prying tool, and once you guys did the steps that I teach you guys on that glass back case video right here on top just now, you guys should be able to take it out very easily. It's quite easy to take out actually. So once you guys have taken out the glass cover right here, as you guys can see, it's pretty sharp, so you guys want to put it away. And once you guys have done that, you guys are just gonna take like a screw right there and start screwing on all the different screws right here. So yeah, so basically just screw for the wireless charging capability. You guys are just gonna remove this black cover right here, and for the sound, I guess like kind of like a sound system right here, you guys are just gonna remove these two parts, because these two parts are it seems that it kind of like interferes with the phone a lot, so that's why I chose to remove two of these two parts. And most of the time, if you guys have a problem, you guys can basically just remove these two parts, because these two parts is the one causing the problem, and most of the time your phone can be easily fixed if you guys know which part to remove. So I'll just remove the screws there. Once you guys have removed all these screws from the top part, you guys should have very ease on removing the top cover. So I guess what these components are, it's basically the wireless charger and the fingerprint sensor. So you guys can just omit it away, it doesn't really matter, but you guys will be able to see the phone. So what I like to do is basically just switch this off right here, because this is the battery, and you don't want the battery to be on most of the time when you guys are doing these kind of procedures that involves opening up a phone, because the battery may explode, you may get electrocuted. So you guys want to be extremely careful when handling these kind of devices. So that's why I always make sure I remove the power cable, just to be sure that it doesn't really have any problems, and that's what I do. But in that, as you guys can see, that there's the camera, there's the RAM, and that's where the battery is at, and this is where the SIM card storage is at. So now we are going to remove the soundbar part, so I'll catch you guys when I remove it. So once you guys have removed the soundbar, it should be pretty easy to take it out. So let's see. Oh, oops, I forgotten about this screw right here. It should be pretty easy to take it out, so you guys can just take it out right here. As you guys can see, this is the sound bar that makes a bit of a bell sound if you guys have it on notifications, and normally I have my notifications set as a bell, so I will be notified whenever there is a response on the phone. But you guys can pretty much just omit this part. But basically this is the sound bar that I found that caused the green screen problem. And if you guys don't put it back, you guys can't really have any sound, so it's highly suggested to put it back. So what I normally do is I just clip this back in and just place a plastic cover over the Note 9 right here. I know it looks extremely cool, it looks like an out of case, and normally I just turn the phone back on just to get the phone working here. So if everything goes good, it does not have any problems, and I don't get electrocuted, this video will be amazing. But as you guys can see, the green screen problem is still very prominent for some reason. And yeah, basically this is the phone that has the problem. It's extremely green, it has like a problem right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has a problem. It's a green screen and it has a lot of lines sometimes, most of the time, but once I show you guys how to fix it, you guys will be very happy. So as you guys can see, the screen has a bit of problem, but as you can see, voila, your phone, it's basically, oh my god, as you guys can see, your phone is pretty good. It's pretty much good as new right here, but my battery, as you guys can see, it's pretty low right there, 15%. But as you guys can see, your phone is good as new once you guys have applied the fix. So you guys want to take off right here, it's gonna heat up pretty badly, but you guys should charge your phone before doing this because it's gonna eat up your battery by a lot. So you guys want to be very wary about that, and you guys should definitely charge your phone when doing this. But I did not charge my phone, it's on 40%. So you guys are just gonna go to Play Store right here, and this is a very fast method to do it. So you guys are just gonna write omelette saver, just search it up, it's basically AMOD, and you guys are just gonna open it and enable the service. As you guys can see, boom, your phone's fixed. How great is that? Your phone's fixed, the light is very bright, it looks like a normal Samsung phone. And if you guys want to adjust your settings or brightness, you guys can do it. And once you guys have this thing on, your service is on. As you guys can see, once you guys have your service on, you guys are just gonna pretty much just shut down your phone. So just hit power off, just power off, and once you see the Samsung logo, you're set. So once that happens, you guys are just gonna turn behind real quick and just put everything back together in one piece again. So as you guys can see, your phone is pretty much done. At this point of time, you have just saved your phone with the omelette saver. So basically what it does, it basically activates a set of lights that helps mitigate the green screen problem, and I see that it helps the green screen problem by a lot. So that's why I'm recommending to you guys. So once you guys have done the phone, you guys are just gonna close it. So I'll see you guys once I completed closing the phone, and I'll show you guys the end. That I'll see you when that's finished. Okay guys, I have finished putting these screws and everything is set at one place right now. So I'm just gonna close the cover right here, and this part is very important that I tell you guys that the glass cover is extremely sharp, so you guys don't want to injure your hand or anything like that. So once you guys have done it, you guys apologize for the camera shaking, it's a bit strange. So you guys are just gonna open up your phone once again. It should show the Samsung Note 9 screen. It should be as greenish as last time, but don't worry, once you guys have logged in your phone, it should be fine and everything should be fixed and there won't be much problem. So don't worry about it. Once you see this problem, don't need to be worried and say, oh my god, my phone is not fixed, and leave a dislike, because honestly the phone is perfectly fine, but my battery right here is 9%, so it's quite low. But as you guys can see, the before and after fix is very prominent. Once you fix the problem, downstairs it would say starting service, and the phone just loads as new, brand new right here. Oh my god, it loads brand new, everything is still intact. You get your battery, you get your soundbar is installed at the back, and you get your wireless charger, and everything can just carry on like normal, and you pretty much just fix the phone from that state to that very bad state that you guys have, and you pretty much just fix your phone. But there is one quick thing you guys are gonna do. It's basically just ensure that your settings for omelette saver is set properly. And let me just find my omelette saver real quick. And oh, okay, so basically they are asking for a software update as well. So back on the topic about software update, the software update is just pretty much okay. You know what I'm trying to say, you guys can install the software update or any updates you guys have in the future. Everything is completely fine. It's not really a big deal to install the software update, but most of the time I will install the software update because they will have like different fix right there, different fixes, and that's why I will install the software update. But at this point of time, I will not install the software update. So like what I was saying, I was trying to say about the omelette savers, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna go to search and write the omelette saver right there. Okay, there we go. So it's the guy in the green, and you guys are just gonna make sure your settings are at brightness 50. Use pixel filtering, you want to use it, because if you don't use, there is a very big difference if you guys don't use. You guys see the difference? I'll show you guys again. So this is what happens if you don't use. It looks very greenish, there are lines everywhere, it looks greenish, it's completely green, it looks very bad. And if you use it, it looks like a normal phone. You have the omelette capabilities, and your brightness you want to set to around 255 right there. Just use exactly my same settings, and you can't just go wrong for that once you guys have done with the settings. And you guys are just gonna make sure your brightness is just on the correct side. You have to correct brightness correction and everything. So real quick, before I end today's video, there is another thing that I have to tell you guys about this fix, is that once you guys battery is very low, the brightness will go down and the green screen will appear again. So as you guys can see, you might have like some flashback, you may have some lag, and you gotta cause a problem, and you guys have to fix it. And if you guys don't fix it, you may have more green lines, and if you have green lines, you gotta have to change the phone. So that's a big problem. But and then I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the put it out the coupe at the lot.